Hi, babes. Today we back with another video. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. And today is also Vlogmas Day 6. Put it up. It is also Vlogmas Day 6, and we have 20 days until Christmas. Yes. I keep dropping the thing. So today me and I are going to be making strawberry brownies. We're going to do strawberry brownies. So let's get the stuff. So first, ready? So first, you're going to put your sleeves up so you won't get none on your sleeve. Then we're going to get some Germix.
This is sleeves.
My sleeves are short, so my sleeves are good. Let me see if I can. And then put some on my hand.
Your sleeves are short?
Yeah, I got short sleeves on. Okay, now let's get started. What are we supposed to do? You know what to do?
Yes.
What are we supposed to do?
We're supposed to add this.
We're supposed to add that?
Yeah.
We do that first. Oh, I need to get a mix. First thing first, let's make sure we got everything. We got the cake mix. We got the oil. We gotta get milk.
Oh, some milk.
I thought we was out of milk. I was the whole thing. We got milk. We got...
Ma, who said this? Ma, who said this? Who said this?
We got the powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
Okay. Then we gotta make sure the oven is turned on. Okay. I forgot to get some non-stick spray, but it's fine. We got our pen, and we got our stop, and we got our paper to put in it. So we got it. So next is in a large bowl. We got put this
and this.
Okay. I mean, it might take a little longer with that, but put it there so you can pour.
What I want to do?
You want to pour it? Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, I do want to pour it.
Okay.
Ew, that looks like strawberry sugar.
Here, you do. Hold it. There. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Get the bag. I don't know why I ain't this for. Yeah, I see. Keep pouring.
Now, can I mix it? Can I mix it now, Mom? Can I mix it now?
Well, we gotta put the rest of the stuff in there. We gotta put the eggs in the oil. Because we need 2 eggs. I'm gonna crack the eggs.
Oh,
You keep it in there. Oh, I'm gonna crack the eggs. I'll let you do the other one. Because we ain't got many eggs to do waste. We only need 2. I'm gonna let you do the other thing. I'm gonna let you pour the oil.
Hey, let me pour the oil.
Come on, phone.
Because
we ain't got many eggs to be, wasted. So we need a cup. This cup. Pour the oil in this cup. Pour it in here.
Okay.
I knew that's okay. Jesus, my phone. Jeez Louise, look at that. Okay. Let me let my phone know. You just went in it heavy-handed.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Got it? That makes it get the corner. Can I try?
Yeah.
Oh, we go fast. That's just one. Look at oh. We can make a lot of tornado. Wanna do it?
No. You're making like a tornado again. It is the S2. It is the S2.
And a L.
Yeah. The S said Gary. The S said Gary.
Really?
Yeah. It got the S2. That always get the S. It's always get the S.
You do.
Baby, you're making strawberry brownies. Whoa. Whoa. It's so wind.
Okay, hold this like this.
I'm sleeping in the pool. Wee. Bouncing. Let me lay down.
Do you like making cooking with mommy or baking? You like baking with me?
I'm laying down in the snow. Making a snow angel. Snow angel.
Do you hear me? Do you like baking with me or cooking with me?
Yeah, I like baking with you. I'm
trying to get it all out so I won't waste none. You putting the more back in there.
Lay down in the snow. My hair in there. I was putting her hair in there.
Good way. Do the
And
most.
then when you dance back up, then she danced back up. She
Oh, that's
made
the stove. I'm like, what's something smelling burnt? Oh, that's the stove. The oven. I am not
in my toy kitchen.
Yeah. Disclaimer, I am not a baker. I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. It's just for fun.
Today we are baking. Today we are baking.
To see if I could do it.
Today we are baking. Today we are baking.
Baking. We are baking. Ooh, my fingers. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Now, how did you do that?
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Christmas.
It's Christmas. It's Christmas.
I wish I could play music without getting copyrighted. It'd be nice to play some Christmas music.
I'm mixed with this time.
Come on, go.
Making a
Hey, don't put that in there. I now I gotta stir it again. Okay.
the very next to us. That's my dude.
What'd you see? The elf.
He had lips. He had lips. He had lips on his mouth.
Yeah, lips. I mean, it is an elf. They're supposed to have lips. But you thought they didn't have lips?
Yeah. Ew.
Are you gonna eat a brownie or no? Or you
Yeah.
just making it with me? Next is
That.
this. We got a pen, we got paper. Let's open this bad boy up.
What did you say?
Let's open this bad boy up.
Paper bubbles. That's paper bubbles.
Yep.
It's paper bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try. Mom, try it. This.
Oh! Dang, you weren't supposed to do it for real.
Ah! You hit me.
You silly.
Can I do it? Well, name the paper. Name the paper. Banana paper. Banana paper. Banana paper. Banana paper. Banana paper. No, my. Not yet,
I hate I forgot to get some non-stick. What you say? Okay. This how it looks. Okay. I have to, what you gonna do? I'm gonna hold it and you do it? We gotta make sure it's spread out evenly. Kind of hard, ain't it? Okay, let me see. Paper won't stay. Did I put too much paper? I probably did. No. Okay, let's see. Leave the paper alone. Oh my Jesus. This is so chaotic. Yeah, stay. Do that like this. Just like that, so it can stay. This is hard. Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl with 2 hands. Hold the bowl with 2 hands first.
Okay.
I'm gonna let go. Oh my Jesus. You don't help me. I am struggling.
Okay.
Get the spoon. He is struggling. Oh my Jesus. Oh my goodness. Nylah is not the best person to bake with.
Trying to get a bit deep out of there. I'm trying to get a bit.
So just scoop it out. Scoop it out. There you go.
Deep.
Boop.
Deep.
Break the rest.
Big deep. Big deep.
This is chaotic, you guys. I guess once we get on there, then we spread it out. Makes sense.
Big deep.
You want me to do it or you got it?
I want to do it.
Okay. You got all of it out. Good job. Well, almost all of it. Just got a little bit left.
That's so loud.
Sorry. Okay. Ooh. Thank you. We're gonna have to do it.
Big.
To get it.
Big.
Oh.
Big.
What is it called?
Down. Big. Oh.
Hey, pull your sleeves up. Or is it okay? Okay. We getting somewhere. And then next we gotta make the frosting. Whatever it's called.
What?
Okay, you gotta spread it out.
Yeah.
Got it? Or do you need help?
No cocoa.
Let me see.
No head. See, that will be. That's it.
Okay.
Can I taste it?
He said it ain't done.
If I take the sauce.
Put your finger right there and lick it. Put it in your finger.
Taste it.
You didn't even taste it. Try it.
It's yummy.
Don't put it back. Give me it.
She didn't like that. Something. We're done.
Almost trying to get it even.
What you mean?
Like the same size all over. Yeah, buy me some more bacons too.
Everybody's like a long rectangle. Everybody looks like a run.
This paper is irritating me.
What looks like? Choo.
Don't put that away. And it was just something fun to do with Nylah. So don't critique too hard, man. Just a little Christmas fun. I don't think I got it. I think I did put too much paper. And I think my pen is a little big. So we gonna make it work. Ain't that right?
What that one?
What?
What that?
What's what?
What that?
What's what?
I said what is that?
You saying what is that? But oh, this?
Yeah.
It's a spreader. I don't know what it's called. A spreader spatula. I don't know what it's called, but
like a backy ho-ho. Like a backy ho-ho.
that's why I said get your stool. Stop moving in that chair with them house shoes on before you bust your butt. So you want to bust your butt?
No.
Okay, be still. I think we did it. Do a little dance. Mm-hmm.
Hey!
Get your breath out there out the thing. Got that breath all over the place. Okay. Stop for real. Mm-hmm.
I kind of low on.
I think we got it. Do it look even? I'll just hang out this other paper.
Oh, the paper.
Irritating the heck out of me. Don't you put nothing over. You put that in the sink. That was you trying to dust stuff in you. I think we got it even. Do it look even?
Yeah.
This is how it looks. Oh, it looks pretty good on the camera. So now what we do?
Oh yeah.
We put it in the oven. So it's going in the oven. So now we need.
I want to pour.
Okay. Pour it in the big one. Hold it. You gotta hold the bag.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh, Lord Jesus, we stay making a mess.
We do. We do, Mama. We do stay making a mess.
Okay, that's enough.
That's what you say?
So that's enough. Okay.
Now put it in the bowl.
Put it in a bowl. Good job. Now we gotta put milk. Just put milk.
It's like it's snowing.
Look, wanna see some? Oh.
It's snowing. It's snowing.
Here, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Hold your hand up. Okay.
It's snowing. It looks like it's like snowing.
Looks like it's snowing.
Yeah, it looks like it's snowing on the ground. Snow on me.
We need a half
Snow on my
to
sleeve.
2 tablespoons of milk. I'm gonna pour the milk because I don't want you to waste it.
I want to pour the milk.
I'll let you put it in the bowl.
Okay.
Here, put it in the bowl. Okay. Hold it. Hold the thing.
Okay. More milk.
Good job. We might need more milk, but now it's time to
Bake.
stir.
It looks like there's a little bit of snow. That makes snow right here. Snow
So
right there.
we're stirring the milk and the sugar so it can make some glaze for our brownies. Oh, it's making it. You might need a little bit more milk. Oh, maybe not. You want to stir or no?
Yes. Yes, please. I don't care.
Stir, girl. You gotta hold the bowl and stir. Yeah.
You want to make it snow again. I'm done.
You got it.
Now I want to make it snow again.
The things we do.
I want you a little bit more.
Hold your hand out. Okay. I shouldn't have showed you that. Look at the floor. Like we've been fighting in sugar.
It made a lot of sugar. Now made it snowy. Mine wanted it to snow again. I want some more snow.
Alright, get that off the counter. Use it. And we got our glaze. Let me taste it. Oh yeah. I did that. We did that. We did that.
I'm taking this cigarette.
How it tastes?
Good.
Look at my shirt. We need to buy aprons. We should totally buy aprons, so. Totally. So, we wait on the brownies to get done. Okay,
Look
that's
at
all you
your
get.
shirt.
You ain't get no more. I'm gonna regret this when I gotta clean it up. Let's take picture. Say cheese.
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 Okay, let's get some sugar in our hand, and we're gonna take a picture like that with the sugar in our hand. Don't blow it yet, okay?
Okay.
Wait on me. Okay, when I say 3, we're gonna blow it. First pose, do this. Put your hand up like this. Don't blow it yet. Just do this. Say, now 1, 2, 3, blow. Okay, no more.
That looks like there's snow on the ground.
It does.
We need a lot of snow on the ground.
We made a mess.
There lies.
Look how the brownies look so far. I'm still cooking, but we got.
I like snow. I can make snow.
But that was fun.
This is
While we wait on the brownies, this is where the F was. Right there. There's the things we do to make our children happy.
Mommy, look, I made a snow angel.
You did. The things we do to make our children happy is crazy. So we just wait until
8, 6, 7. Mama, let's do 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7.
I didn't even know that. I didn't even think you knew that.
6, 7. 6, 7.
Okay,
6,
girl.
7.
That's 6, 7.
Pum, pum, pum.
Y'all did that in class.
Yeah. We said 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. Whoa. 6, 7.
What y'all was counting, y'all said 6, 7.
Mine wants some more sugar.
No more sugar. We already got mess that I gotta sweep up. It's in your hair. That's kind of my fault right there, but what are you doing? So now we're gonna pour this glaze over it.
Get down.
Ooh. Y'all see that? I should have made a little bit more, but it's cool. You just let it drip. Drip, drip, drip.
And I do it, and I make dough. And then I push it,
You squished it.
and I do the watermelon, and I turn into bubble gum.
You turned into bubble gum?
Yeah, I turn into bubble gum.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty microwave up there.
Trying to use all this glaze, y'all. And when it cool off, then we can cut it.
Probably not.
I probably put a little too much glaze, but we ain't gonna cut it. We're not gonna cut it just yet. We're gonna wait till it cool off, then we're gonna cut it. So, yeah. Did you have fun? Would you do it again with mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you want to tell the... You in these house shoes. What you want to tell the camera? Oh, we gotta taste it. We're gonna wait till it cool off. Then I'm gonna put a clip of us tasting it. But, what you want to tell the camera? Sit up before you fall. What you gotta say? What you want to say? Nothing? Do you want to say anything or no?
Yes.
What you want to say?
I love you.
So, well, we are out. Peace.
Peace.
How it tastes?
Good.
It good?
Yeah. That's fine.
Good day, vibe. I don't think she like it.
Well, I don't.
You don't like it? You know it's good, but you don't like it.